1. Firing order is supposed to be 1, 8, 4, 1, 8, 4, 5. That's not right. I gotta go look at the I gotta go look at the book again. It's like 2 hours ago. 1, 8, 4. I got that part. 7. 1, 8. That's not okay. 1, 8, 4, 6. That's it. 5, 7, 2. That's it. 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2. Gotta check my wires. Huh. 1. That's cool. Okay. 1. Yeah. And this distributor goes clockwise, so 1, 8, bar, 1, 8, 4, 3, 1, 8, 4, 3. Okay, let's check 3. I got 1. I got 3. Looks like it. Where you at there, wire? 6 on that side. 5. So this wire should be going to 5. Going to 7. 7. No, that's 7. Okay, yeah, 5.